Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we got something kind of special. I'm really excited about this. Today, gonna kind of semi-retire this. This is my Hero 3 Plus Black GoPro. I've had it for 6 years. Right at 6 years now. It's been a really good camera. You know, I got microphone mounts and cables and all kind of stuff for it. And I'm going to use it as a secondary camera. And it's been a really good one. It still takes good video. But today, and this is kind of an unboxing. I already opened the box, so I was excited. We're going to be looking at the GoPro Hero 8 Black. And this is supposed to be the Mac Daddy. So we're going to open it up, see what all's in the box, and talk about it a little bit. And I'm excited. So this is really going to step it up a little bit, I do believe, from everything I've seen. Anyway, y'all stay with us. Alright, let me move my keyboard out of the way and my mouse and everything, and we'll just put this right here. Pretty good packaging. You probably open it, we're on this little blue strip right here. Yep. There we go. All right. And this comes open like such, I think. You know, I've watched 50 of these unboxings, and when I get to do it right here, I can't think of anything. You'd think at my age I wouldn't get so excited. Alright, so in the box, we have the battery. Got a little pull tab on it. I'll need to get an extra one of those. We got a USB-C cable. USB-A to USB-C. Got an adhesive mount to mount the quick connect. I'm just terrible at this. Okay, we got a product and safety instruction manual. Stickers. We got GoPro stickers. We can stick on something. He was talking about the GoPro Plus, which is a paid subscription, I think. Okay, we got to have the GoPro app. We got to put the battery in it, so it's pretty simple on the instructions. We charge it with the USB-C to USB-A cable. And then it shows how you can stick the little stuff on there. So, pretty simple. Now let's see if I can get this thing off here. Okay, this is just for demonstration purposes, I guess. So I need to take the quick connect off. There we go. There we go. Okay, good. What that's even for. Alright, so now here is the GoPro. So I'll have to find my SD card, micro SD card. That was in there good. All right. I got a ton of those with the other camera, and they should be interchangeable. All right, there's the quick connect. And what I like about this, you can actually snap those feet down if you want to just hold on to it. So we'll open the door up, and there's the door. So it looks like the SD card goes in right there, and then the battery goes in right there. So let me step away. I have a 128 gig SD card around here somewhere, and I'll be right back. All right, so I went and found my 128 gig SD card. It's right here. Micro SD card. Right here. So to make sure I'm doing this correctly, because this is my first 8 I've ever fooled with. Well, if you got big hands, that's kind of tough. But as you can see, it's in there. Let's see, the battery prongs are on this side, so we'll put the battery in like such. Head in there backwards. Okay. Now let's take this little back cover off. There we go. Got a pretty neat little display on it. Okay, so I should be able to turn it on if it has any power. And that would be right here. This is 8 black. Hope y'all can see it with my computer turned on. It just gives me a little extra light here. And it's always a learning experience with a new piece of equipment. But I probably do need the GoPro app. So I've got it already on my phone, but I'm recording on my phone, so that's going to be messed up. So we'll conclude the video for tonight. This will be part 1. Part 2 will be the review of the camera. Here's why it's not going on. Legal stuff. It says, by using this GoPro, I agree the terms of use available at GoPro.com/legal. Oh, it's got a neat touchscreen. Okay. Got GPS. And then it says to install the app on your phone. We'll just skip the setup and everything. Boy, it really does not want you to do that. So you have to set the date and everything. And the time. Okay, I'm here now. I got 13% battery. It comes out of the box set at 1080 60 widescreen. Cool. That's pretty neat. So if I hit the shutter button right now, it's recording. It's pretty quick. Okay, so if you swipe up on it, it shows you your media. So it's got a pretty quick screen on it. I got 2 or 3 other videos on there. It must be a different format. So, all right, well, we'll finish this up, and I'll go ahead and charge it and get it hooked up to the app and show you how to do that. And but I'm excited. It's gonna be pretty cool. Anyway, hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button down there and hit the little bell to be notified. And we'd love to have you on board. And it doesn't cost a dime. Doesn't cost a nickel, a penny, or anything to subscribe. And you get to see such high quality content as this. See, I can't even say it. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing great. Hope to be putting some higher quality videos out. One thing I found out, you have to have a lens protector on this camera, and I ordered some of those, so I'll make a video on how to do that too. But pretty excited. Anyway, but y'all have a great evening, have a great week, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.